Hey y'all, and welcome to the channel, Teresa Renee. So I have for y'all a candle haul. It's not just Bath and Body Works. Actually, I have very few Bath and Body Works because I want to try out different brands and different kinds and stuff like that. Because Bath and Body Works, y'all know Bath and Body Works is the candles, hands down. But they're limited sometimes in their scents, and sometimes you just want something different. So I got candles from different places, but I'm going to start with Bath and Body Works, and it's not that many of those. So from Bath and Body Works, we have here blackberry tea leaf, and oh, it smells great. Blackberry tea leaf is wild blackberries, bamboo tea leaves, and a hint of sweet orange. And isn't that pretty? Look at the bear. That's so gorgeous. So yeah, and I also got this candle holder here, which was $12.50. I think we had like a 20% discount or something like that. We also got I also got the crisp morning air. And I say we because my husband was with me when we got it. But child, he took his little candles. He done burnt them candles up. Anyway, real quick. So y'all see the skunk, I think it is on there. Isn't that gorgeous? That is so cute. So crisp morning air has crisp fall breeze with white oak, golden amber wood, saffron, and soft sandalwood. And I'm not going to read it for all of them, y'all, but I just want to tell you for those two real quick. I got the eucalyptus mint. Y'all know that's like for calming and relaxing and things like that. So that's all I got for now. I'm excited to get some of these other candles. I don't know how they burn. I don't know how they throw, but we're going to see. And some of them are Yankee candles, but I've had like hit or miss Yankee candles. I know everybody think Yankee candles are the best, but they are not always on point. The next candle I have like several candles here. This is pumpkin souffle, and some of these, it says east, west, and y'all know I can barely see this stuff, but I freaking fell in love with the shape of this candle. It was from Marshall's. It was $10, but yo, in that, oh, I love this jar. Like, I'm really going to keep this jar once it's emptied out. And y'all, it smells in the jar fabulous, but this is pumpkin souffle. So I went to Marshall's. I got them from Home Goods and just a few different places. This one came from Home Goods. It was $7, and it's Pumpkin Kisses and Harvest Wishes. This one, the same thing, smells great, and I'm excited. This is by Chesapeake Bay. So yeah, I'm gonna see how they smell. We'll see. I'll let y'all know. I'm gonna like test burn these because I really just wanted to get outside of Bath and Body Works, y'all. Now, I don't know how they're gonna smell, but we're gonna see, and I'm gonna let you know. Okay, this one came from Home Goods as well, and this is from DW. Yeah, DW Home, and it's called Crisp Apple Nutmeg. Y'all, this one, when I smelled this, I was like, immediately, yo, I got to get that. And if this one throws like it smells, they only had one, so I picked it up. But how pretty is the jar? And also, y'all, one thing I like about outside of Bath and Body Works, these jars are so pretty to like reuse. Like, really, the reuse of these are just really like, yeah, I could think of so many things I could do with these. Oh my goodness. But isn't that pretty? Crisp Apple Nutmeg. That's this one. Now, I will tell you, I've had 3-wick candles from DW before, and they light up the whole house. We'll see how these do. I haven't had these scents before, but I want to try these. And this is Spice Pumpkin. Y'all, and it really smells like a real strong spice pumpkin. So we'll see. This one is apple honey butter. But y'all, look. These containers are so, these jars are so cute. Oh. We're going to see what happens, girl. This one is from TJ Maxx. The ones I just showed you, I got from Home Goods. This one is from TJ Maxx. And this is DW Home Vanilla Cream. And this one was $10. The other ones were $7.99. This one's $10. And really, it's about the same size. I don't really know, like, what the difference is. There is some difference. I don't know what. So I only got one Yankee candle, y'all, but this is black cherry. I thought I had more than one Yankee candle, but this is black cherry. I smell a Yankee candle. Ooh, that smells good. I smell the Yankee candle tonight that I'm going to. I should have gotten it. I don't know why. I guess because I had so many, I just didn't. But I'm gonna go back and get that one. It smells so good. This is called Thankful, Grateful, Blessed, and this is by Chesapeake Bay. And I've had Chesapeake Bay before, and they burn pretty good. But y'all know, like, it's so the rain. It varies with candles. Like, it varies so much till you really just sometimes don't know. You're just taking a chance, really. But y'all, look at this big mama here. This is the. Did I? Oh yeah, I gotta show y'all that one. Look at this candle. This is $12.99, and this is 26 ounces. It is humongous. It is from Sensational. It's pine and clementine, and y'all, it smells so good. But what I wanted to do, because this candle is so huge, I was scared of it. I was really skeptical about it. But I said, you know what? I'm going to get it and just burn it and see what happens. If it throws, it throws. If it doesn't, then I'll know not to fool with these anymore. But y'all know sometimes these really huge candles like this just don't burn right. But we'll see. That's one reason why I started just like sticking with Bath and Body Works candles, because some candles just don't burn good. But we're going to see. It's by Sensational, right? Didn't I say? Sensational. So we'll see. This last one is by DW Home, and it is Apple Pumpkin Richly Scented Candle. Y'all, it smells so good. I don't know where I'm gonna start burning, girl, which one I'm gonna burn, but we're gonna burn one tonight, and I'm gonna come back and let y'all know my thoughts on them as I burn them, to let you know yay, nay, or whatever. But really, with candles, sometimes you just gotta take a chance. If you know a brand of candles other than Bath and Body Works and Yankee candles, that the throw is really, really good on them, let me know. But I just really wanted something different. And when you come outside of Bath and Body Works, I love Bath and Body Works. Do not get me wrong, y'all. And I may go back and just say, you know what, I can't, depending on how these burn. But I do know these have really been good. Like, I've had a few of these, the 3-wick ones like this, and they burn really good. The throw is fabulous. So we'll see, and I'll let you know. But yeah, if you know of any other candles that just have that really, a really good throw, and I love strong candles, like another brand, another kind, or whatever, just recommend it and let me know, because y'all, I burn candles like all day, like all day. At night when I come home from work, that's the first thing I do is light my candles, girl. I go through the house, I light the candles. I go through and blow them out when I get ready to go to bed. In the morning when I get up, I light the candles. When I get ready for work, when I get ready to go to work, I go through and blow all the candles out. But that's just what I do. That's just a part of my routine, and it really relaxes me. So anywho, I'm going to get off of here. Thank y'all so much for stopping by my channel. If you have not subbed yet, hit the sub button, hang out with your girl, and let me know if you know where some candles are. All right, y'all. Bye, y'all.